Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Saturday, August 7th, 9:46 a.m. New York time. Metals, gold, commodities. Understand this. Gold is a commodity. Commodities trade in the futures market, which is a futures exchange in the United States. That's a different exchange than a stock exchange. Stocks trade on stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. Again, commodities trade in the futures exchange in the United States. So here we're looking at gold futures. How do you know it's gold futures? It's / symbol / Golf Charlie. All futures start with a /. Some brokers don't offer you access to futures. But we're here looking at a 1-year duration, and each candle is 1 week. So first, I'm going to show you the gold futures, then the US dollar, because commodities are priced in US dollars. And then we'll look at gold stocks that are companies, that are mining companies that trade on a stock exchange. So the most important thing is here we start with the primary thing, which is gold futures. For the current week, we closed red. We closed near the bottom of the week. We broke below this consolidation point. Look at consolidation here, huge breakdown. We had a retracement of this huge move down. And then we had a supply zone here, seller zone here, and broke below it. But we did not take out the swing low, which is around $1,750, $1,750. So again, we're in this bigger consolidation. We want to look at the dollar because the US dollar, again, commodities price US dollar. So the dollar for the week, look at this yellow candle. It's holla is equivalent to a green candle. It closed inside the prior week. What does that mean? It means that we didn't take out the high or low of the prior week. It's in a consolidation, but the US dollar was up, closing almost near the top of its trading range. Again, each one's a week. So we look at gold side by side. There's a correlation. Dollar went up, closing near the high, and gold went down, closing near the low. So typically this happens. Typically commodities trade inverse from the US dollar. Not all the time. There's certain under reasons, whatever that word is. Yeah. The point is, again, it worked out again this week. Again, the dollar is gaining strength because the US economy is doing better than expected. A strong economy typically has strength in that nation's currency. So if you're from a different nation, how's your currency doing against your nation's stock exchange? Okay, now let's look at gold stocks. Same thing, each candle is a week. And we're looking at 1-year duration. And this yellow horizontal lines will represent the high for the current year. But again, it's a 1-year duration. So again, it's only August, so you have part of last year here. This stock is Alpha Echo Mike. That's the stock symbol. Remember, stock symbols are letters. So here's the high for the year. We are below the high for the year. And look at this. This did close red for the week because it's a solid body, but inside candle. So you notice the gold futures made a huge broke down below consolidation. But here, this gold stock is holding up strong. It's inside consolidation. So this gold mining company is obviously doing better than the underlying gold. That's a difference. The gold versus the mining company. So it's a strong. So just take note. This may be the faster one to turn around to the upside when the markets, when gold starts going trending up. Maybe this one would be faster to the upside. Just take consideration. Again, this is a demand zone down here where buyers have been stepping in. Alpha Uniform, huge move down, just like gold futures. Very similar reaction. And this GOLD, this company calls itself gold. Yep, they're lucky they got that number. Look at that. It did not break down like the gold futures. It's holding. It actually made a higher high than last week and also a lower low. It's coming into earnings soon. So it's in this huge consolidation. Foxtrot, Charlie, X-ray, same thing. It's in a consolidation phase up here. It did not break down. So already the takeaway is several of these gold mining company stocks are doing better than the underlying gold futures. Here we had a huge move up and closing below almost this consolidation phase. So GFI is underperforming. November, Echo Mike also. Yeah, it's in a consolidation phase, but look at that, still staircase pattern, lower low, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation. Charlie, Delta, Echo. Yep, the momentum's down. It's bearish, declining. But again, we're already seeing several of these stocks that are looking better than the other ones. So take note, if you're one that trades stocks or invest in stocks, we're already identifying which ones are the stronger gold mining companies to consider putting on the top of your watch list. Hotel Lima, yep, also broke below this consolidation, which was a demand zone here. Buyers stepped in here before, broke up, and now it's coming back in that range, also below the high of the year. Tango Hotel Mike, interesting, huge move down, broke below this consolidation area, went up, but still closed because the red body closed just below it. Obviously, demand, buyers stepped in here. Yeah, they stepped in here because it was a penny stock. Look, closed at 93 cents, some change. Way below the high of the year, and also made a new low for the year. That's not leadership. Let's go look at the next. Alpha Golf Charlie. Here's the high for the year. And we're almost near the low. It's again, penny stock, gold, struggling. It's an consolidation. Alpha Uniform, also just shy record low. Interesting, it formed inside candle from the prior green candle. So this may be getting ready to pop up. Yeah, consideration. Maybe buy one stock share, one share, 1 penny share. If it breaks above next week, if we trade above the high of this yellow candle, so put a working order right now. The high of this stock is 45 cents. I mean, 44 cents. So put an order on for buy one stock share, consider at 45 cents, 45 cents. And if it goes there, you got one stock share. That's one. And then if it trades below the low of that prior week, you close it. You put a working order on to close it. And then as well, maybe you put a profit target for 50 cents. So it moves up 5 cents, you're closing it for profit. And if it goes below that low of last week, which is like 41 some cents, close it. Yep. If you can't handle one share, why would you want to scale up to more? So take that consideration. You have to pay for education. And there you're going. You're spending whatever your commission fees are at less than 50 cents with one share. If you bought more than one, if you buy more than one share, you have a problem with money management. You better go get help. Training lesson. If you can't handle one share, don't scale up. If you don't follow the money managements, outsource your investment to someone else. Alpha Golf, same thing, inside candle. Like it's building consolidation phase, so buyers have been stepping in here. Bravo Tango Golf. Well, we did break down below that. Yep, it's struggling. Look at the high for the year. The first week of the year, that was the high. Since then, made a new low. Not good. Delta, Bravo, Papa. Also, that huge breakdown right there, similar to like gold commodities. Yeah. Echo, Golf, Oscar, all-time new low for the year. Not good. So again, we identified where some of the bad characters are making all-time new lows for the year, versus the other ones staying in consolidation or even going higher. Yep. So overall, we've seen the gold is weak, but we see several of them that are doing good. Echo, X-ray, Kilo. It's in a consolidation phase. Foxtrot, November, Victor, all-time new high. Outstanding. Outstanding. This gold mining company, all-time new high for the year. Leadership. Wow, outstanding. Goff, Delta, X-ray. This is a very popular gold stock ETF. Yep. So it's an acceleration. Went up, test the midpoint right here. This candle, again, the weekly candles went up to test the midpoint and rejected it and went down. Let's go on to some more gold. I have lots of gold stocks in my watch list, but I'm only showing you a few to keep the video short. Here's the high for the year. Goff, Delta, X-ray, J. These are the junior gold mining. The other one, GDX, are big mining. GDX, the prior one I showed you, are big gold mining companies. GDXJ are junior gold mining companies, meaning the smaller companies have less return, but not return, less wealth in that company. Yep, all-time new low for the year, not good. Golf, Oscar, Romeo, Oscar, new low for the year, not good. Golf, Papa Lima, new low for the year, not good. Hotel, Mike, Yankee, yeah, broke below that consolidation, almost there at the low for the year, not good. India, Alpha, Golf, struggling. It's in its consolidation phase, near the low for the year. Kilo, Golf, Charlie, huge consolidation, near the low for the year. Kilo, Lima, interesting, made a higher high, higher low, and gunning for the high of the year. Good, it's good leadership. There's a consolidation. Since then, it's been breaking out, making higher highs. Just good. So there were sellers here, which one would expect, because whoever bought up here maybe was not happy that they bought at this high instead of buying down there. So maybe some of these people that bought there, maybe closing their trades here, breaking even, or take maybe a little gain or loss. Well, let them wash out. That's what it did. It closed red back inside there, which is still bullish, because we didn't take out the low of that candle. So there might be opportunity to buy next week, maybe. Lima, Oscar, Delta, Echo. Yeah, struggling. It's a huge consolidation. Way below the highs. Mike, Alpha, Golf. Same thing. It's in a consolidation. Made a higher high and closed back inside that range. Well, see, maybe there's a reverse going, working its way higher. You know a lot more now than many other people. Comment below if you like this video. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.